on the left side, you can see that I got an area called My Calendars, meaning I got multiple calendars right here. So what I can do is I can actually set individual notification settings for each of the calendars that I have. So to do that, I'm going to go around into settings menu right here, and then I'm going to go to settings. So once I do that, on the left side, you can see your calendars in specific. So you got my name right here, then you got birthdays, and then you got test, as you can see. So birthdays is a default calendar, but this is my own calendar. And here you can see that if I were to click here and if I were to scroll down, then I'll see the notification option. So for all of the events that I make for this particular calendar, you can see that the notification is set to 30 minutes prior to the event. You can go around, change this out to 15 minutes if you want to, and now the default will be 15 minutes right here for the events in my calendar. If I were to go around into test, then what happens is that in the test calendar right here, you'll be able to see that the notification settings for this is different. So let me just go around right here. So here you can see that there is no event notification for events on this calendar. So if you want to add notifications by default, then you can click on add notification. Let's say I want an email notification as well, and for that I'm going to go to email right here, and let's say for that I need 1 hour notification prior right here. So for all of the events in test, now what happens is that there is a 10-minute notification on your browser or your app, or 1 hour prior notification on your email by default, as you can see right here. So I can go around right here, and then that is how it is set. We're going to talk about multiple calendars in future lessons as well to know more about it. And that is how you can set individual notification for individual calendars inside of Google Calendar. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.